Okay, daily video. It's kind of windy out here today and super bright, so I'm trying not to squint. But there's a lot more activity here at the South Beach Food and Wine Festival, the Q. Today, most everybody is getting set up. Final things. We start in about, I have no idea what time it is, but I guess like 4 or 5 hours. I think the VIP thing with Emeril Lagasse and Guy Fieri, I think that's at 5 or 5:30. But anyway, now that it's laid out, let me show you around a little bit. Hold on, stand by. Okay, so that's what I showed you yesterday. That's the Godiva tent. So you can see all of these barbecue tents out here. This is what I was showing you guys last night that nobody was working. This is Al Roker spot here. And this is right next to us. For those who know us really well, this is quite convenient. So, and then you'll see lots and lots of people working around, and different booths inside. Sorry guys. Inside's all sorts of other chefs: Scott Conant, Jeffrey Zarkarian, Rachel Ray. Everyone that you can possibly name has a spot in there. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Here's some of our FIU students. See ya!